Hello guys, this is my first pack opening on this YouTube channel. Let's get into it. Skip pack. Motor Cruel. Alright. How much does he go for? Probably not a lot, like, but oh well. No. Skip. Crouch. Like, who wants Crouch? Seriously. Wrong Suarez as well. You know, terrible. I'll let this one roll. Felipe Santana. Sorry. Let's go. Next pack, boys. Next pack. Songs this year on FIFA are a lot better. Is he worth anything? Please tell me he's worth anything. Please. Decent. Oh, it's him from. Yeah, he's already him. So I've got one more of these packs, I think, and then yeah, I've got a 5k pack. So and then I'm done. Oh yes, Kadira. How much is he worth? Probably not a lot, but you know. Decent. Right. Last pack of the day, boys. How much is this guy worth? Oh, crap. Wrong thing. Oh, 1k coins. I'll take it. Right. That is me done now with the packs. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment for more FIFA and Call of Duty videos. So yes, have a nice day, boys.